welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the new and latest version for the portable LCD DIY dual USB power bank. It uses 18650 battery, lithium ion. So from the previous, I did the unboxing for this power bank. And this one works pretty good, although the LED is kind of blend in, so it's kind of hard to see what percentage. So it's like 25, 50, 75, and 100% battery level for those 4 LED indicators. And this one has 4 charging port with the flashlight. And then this is the second one with the kind of like a digital, but it's not really a digital one. So this is the one with the digital display, because on the back up here is just a 4 LED and then one over here. And again, this is basically the same thing. So with the flash on both, just hold down the power button. Okay, and to turn it off, you hold down and then turn on the flash. So I break it from the battery pack, the used battery pack that I had, either from your Dell, Toshiba, HP, Hewlett Packard, Sony, or whatever. And then after that, I break it from the casing and then use this charger to charge this 18650 batteries that I pull out from those packs. And then I put it in this case and then do some soldering to make it into a power bank. So I didn't spend any money for buying this kind of battery. So if you have used a laptop battery, you can do the same thing. I got this case on eBay for $4.77. Compared to those two, it's about $2 less than $3. Because this is a newer version, so that's why I want to get it. Oh, it's kind of scratch. So as you can see, LCD display. Let's go ahead and get this out. So this is the pink one. Oh. And then they come with this screen protector. You just need to peel this off and then put it on there. I just wanted to test this out real quick. So this one is pretty simple and easy, but it costs you more. But this one has 2 extra cells. This is the 8 cell compared to this 2 that I have is 6 cells. Okay, and all you do is just put this in those spring loader. Wow, and it powers on. And it shows 94%. That is pretty awesome. Gonna move those wire out of the way. So this one has a dual LED flashlight. Let me see if I can turn it on. It keeps on slippery. Not sure what's going on now. Not juice or what is it? Oh, there you go. Here is a LED flash. As you can see, it is dual LED. Let me see. Somehow I was playing with it and then it came on. Oh, and then a strobe. And then stop again. So you got to play with the switch in order for it to have a strobe. I press and hold down, see if it turns off. So you gotta press it faster. Compared to those, you gotta press it longer. So in order to turn on the flash, you gotta press twice. There you go. And to turn it off, to turn into the strobe, you gotta press and hold it down. Oh no, just press it one time. To turn it off, or to change the mode, you press one time. Also, that's like a high and low. I didn't know. So strobe, high, low. Oh, so if you press that one time, there's like a 3 different mode. That's a strobe light or flash mode, and then high LEDs, and then low. So if you want to turn it off, you gotta press 2 times on the home button right here. 1, 2. Awesome. But anyway, this is the negative terminal right here. As you see, the spring, and the positives are up there. And then you go into this circuit board. And then they already melted the plastic for you already, so you don't need to do that. I had to do those for this older version. So yeah, this is pretty simple. All you do is just take out the battery and then pop this back in. And you don't need to solder anything. That's why I got this to do the review on this. So you got the 1 amp over here and then 2 amps on over here, okay? And then you got 2 at the input. I'm not sure why. So either on this left side or the right hand side. But you gotta make sure you want to put like a padding so when you carry around it doesn't have this kind of sound. Okay. So normally I put like a wire tape around the plastic, the battery, and then the plastic cover, so it doesn't making that shaking noise. All right. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification or drop any comments on below. All right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always. Peace out.